For reliable, professional and compliant crane repair and installation services from qualified engineers, look no further than Crane and Lifting Services Ltd. Our industry-leading engineering experience means we can offer a comprehensive range of crane services to your exact requirements. Wherever you're based, our crane engineers can apply their years of knowledge and know-how to provide the exact services to suit your needs. We have more engineers than most other crane and lifting equipment companies, and this allows us to offer a fast response time, thereby limiting any downtime on your site's production. We offer crane and lifting services to suit every requirement, including installation, inspection, repair, maintenance, as well as operator training and certification. We stock a broad variety of spare parts to ensure minimum downtime for your site. We're proud to offer specialist crane and heavy lifting services throughout the UK, with our engineers available 24/7 for emergency call-outs. Crane and Lifting Services Ltd. For all your crane and lifting equipment needs. Get in touch with us today to discuss your specific requirements.